Hello and welcome to our podcast, which is brought to you by the non-profit Utah Health Foundation. My name is Fernando Bello. I am a student at Brigham Young University, Idaho, in the Health Science Department, and I am going to be talking here for a few minutes about drug prescription abuse and overdose problem. Thanks for joining me and for listening in on my series of conversations about the important issues related to drug prescription abuse, prevention, treatment, recovery, and support. The goal of this podcast today is to raise awareness and to inform our local community about the problem of prescription drugs in Utah. As we are all aware across the country, there is a drug prescription epidemic. Utah probably isn't the first place you think of when you think of drug abuse. That's probably because most people aren't aware of the drug abuse problem in Salt Lake City. In fact, the following statistics on drug abuse in Utah might just shock you. Out of all 50 states, Utah had the 7th highest drug overuse rate in the U.S. between 2013 and 2015. 60% of Utah residents being members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Many people affected by pill addiction in Utah are members of the church. That is surprising for a community where most inhabitants try to live a clean, healthy lifestyle. Prescription medications often fall into a gray area, with many people believing they are safe and acceptable. Unfortunately, the addictiveness of many prescription pills, including opioid pain medications in particular, has led to Utah becoming one of the most addicted states in the nation. That in turn has led to 6 Utah dying every week from an opiate overdose. Drug use is strictly forbidden in the LDS community, but many people don't view medication prescribed by a doctor as being an illicit substance. Sadly, many drug addictions start innocently, with an injured or sick person simply seeking relief from their painful symptoms. In the worst cases, some pill addicts eventually turn to strict drugs like heroin when they realize it is a cheaper way to get their fix. Some people turn to multiple substances as well. In fact, in 2012, 49% of people enrolled in substance abuse treatment were treated for both drug and alcohol problems. Medications are necessary for pain relief of a moderate to severe nature, especially like for a broken bone, post-surgical pain, that sort of thing. Really severe pains that we need opiates for. Damian Trujillo, a recovery addict, is an example of a Utah resident who got help for his drug addiction. As quoted by Fox 13 Salt Lake City, Trujillo stated, 5 years ago I was given the opportunity to get into treatment rather than to go to prison. Because of that opportunity, I have a good life today. If you or a loved one is a victim of Utah drug abuse statistics, please know that there are options available to you. Call now 1-800-459-459. Thank you again for listening to this. Was Fernando Bello. For our December edition of Conversations, the Senior Director of the Utah Health Foundation in Salt Lake City will be joining us. You can contact us at 555-123-456-789 or email us at email@email.com. Our website is www.rxawareness.com.